Welcome. In this video, let's understand how to perform data entry in IBM Planning Analytics for Excel, also known as PAX. There are various techniques and methods available for data entry, such as manual data entry, copy and paste, using Excel functionalities such as Excel formula-driven data entry, and using predefined data spreading options. First of all, you can input the data by selecting a particular cell, entering values and press enter. You can also use calculations like multiplication, addition in a specific cell or range. You can copy the data from another Excel and paste it into the PAX worksheet. We can also use various Excel formulas to perform data entry. For example, we are using VLOOKUP formula to enter the data. In this sheet, we have some sample salary-related data. Enter the VLOOKUP formula. Enter the first parameter as lookup value. For the second parameter, we need to enter the source data table. For the third parameter, we must enter the cell number. For the last parameter, select true or false value and press enter. You can see, values are appeared. Click the commit button to save changes. IBM Planning Analytics for Excel comes with various predefined data spreading options. To perform data spread, right-click on the cell or on the range of cells on which you want to initiate data spreading. Then click on Spread option. Let's take an example of equal data spread method. Here, we enter 70,000 as a value. This function will spread the value 10,000 to all the selected cells. If you want more information about data spread methods, then watch our another video on how to enter data in Planning Analytics Workspace. The link is given in the description. To know more about IBM service offerings, visit our website or contact us on an email. Thank you for watching this video.